As well as sending messages and sharing files in chat, there are other ways to communicate. You can start meetings, share your desktop, and add other people. In every chat, you'll see the buttons you can use to start a video or an audio call, and you can share either a window you already have open or your whole screen. And there's one button to add more people to the chat as well. So in this example, I want to show Polly something on my computer screen. So I choose screen sharing, and then I choose my Chrome browser from the list of options. Now Polly can see my screen and we can discuss what she sees. Polly decides that we need Amrit to join us to ask his advice, and I can add him to the chat by using the Add People button. I type his name, pick him, and then choose Add. Now a new chat has opened with me, Polly, and Amrit in it. It has a new card in the left-hand panel, and the card is named after the people in the chat with me, so it's easy to find. If I choose the Add People button again, I can see who's there too and add more people. We decide we need to talk on a call to figure out this problem together. To do that, I can choose the Audio Call button. It starts a new meeting and then calls Amrit and Polly for me, and they can join, and now we're all in the call together and the discussion can continue.